Today we made a video from a ship with 4,000 super sport cars in fire in middle of Atlantic Ocean. Exactly right now, on a cargo ship and in the middle of Atlantic Ocean, 4,000 super sport cars are in the center of fire. I hope they all would be safe, but there isn't any serious dangerous. But imagine, your order transfer with this blue ship. How you can, in this situation, how you can prevent from losing your money and ensure your business from this type of danger. Unfortunately, today only we have a one video about import and export engine and searching for a business partner, but in the next video we will talk about insurance and safety in shipping, an important topic about shipment. It will be very important topic and video, don't lose it.